Hey, Bruce Becker here with the 7755332. What is the 7755332? Let me tell you. It's comprised of paradiddles and paradiddle-diddles. So to make up a group of 7, we're going to play a paradiddle, paradiddle, paradiddle-diddle. So let me demonstrate. I'll do it very slowly. So we will have and then the 5s are comprised of a paradiddle and a paradiddle-diddle, which would be and the 3 is nothing more than a paradiddle-diddle. Again, that sticking is right, left, right, right, left, left. So here's a 3. And the 2 would be composed of a single paradiddle. Right, left, right, right. And then when we reverse it, it'll be left, right, left, left. So let me play it. I'm going to count out the 16th notes, try to keep up with myself and keep my pacing together, because one of the things that's great about this exercise is that you could consider it a tracking exercise. Because the accents will become quite syncopated, that it is your benefit to count along and not lose yourself inside the sticking. And get away from the notion of just thinking about the sticking, but attach every single sticking to the 16th note. It's really important, and it'll add volumes to what you do in other areas as well. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. What's really fun about that is just to get around the kit and to expand your, what I would say, polyrhythmic range a little bit. Even though it's still in 4/4, you have the ability to really kind of push it around and use it if it's possible to use it in a musical setting. Here are some potential voicings that you could do. You could take the accents and put them to the toms. So I'll play the same figure and I'll play it slowly so we can just hear that. And again, track your melody. Count the 16th notes out. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and... Another sensible way to do that would be maybe to put the accents to the cymbals and put the bass drum underneath the cymbal accents to actually add even more polyrhythmic feel to it. So let's try that. We'll give a pass of that. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and... And a third fun voicing would be to play the accents on the snare drum and perhaps put your toms territorially, or your hands territorially on the toms, which would go 3, 4. So there you have it, the 7755332. Great rhythmic phrase, great to practice. You could do it on a practice pad, be creative and explore on your drum kit to see what you can do. If you want to add to your technical game, check out my Drum Technique Made Easy course up here at Drumeo. Click the link below and sign up, and I look forward to seeing you down the line. Bruce Becker, peace.